A little boring? Let's turn that around. This is PricePop AI, and it's about to become your new best friend for creating stunning sale ads in just a click. Watch how easy this is. First, you just put in your product information. We're selling some awesome CloudStep memory foam sneakers. Next, add your pricing. They were $110, but for this massive clearance sale, they're only $55. We'll set the urgency level to high to let everyone know the deal ends soon. Now for the fun part, choosing a visual style. Let's go with playful and fun, and let the AI handle the rest. Hit Generate, and this is where the magic begins. PricePop AI gets to work using the incredible power of Nano Banana, Google's newest and most powerful image AI, to build your ad. And there it is. In just a few seconds, a professional, attention-grabbing visual that's ready to boost your sales. How cool is that? But what if you want more options? Easy. Just click Generate All Styles. Now the AI will create an ad in every single style available, giving you a whole campaign's worth of content at once. Look at all these amazing designs, from modern and minimal to bold and energetic, a super classy, elegant look, another playful option, a crisp, professional design, and even a vintage retro style. All of these unique and cool designs were made with PricePop AI, powered by Nano Banana. It even keeps a history of your generations, so you can easily access them later. Making amazing ads for your products has never been this simple. Ready to make your products fly off the shelves? Grab PricePop AI from the Chrome store and start using it for free.